Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant while updating or playing. The Vanguard is stuck on the installing Vanguard screen. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, right click on taskbar, choose the option Task Manager. In the search box, type in riot, and whatever the riot processes are running, you need to right click on each of them and choose the option End Task. Make sure to this way close each and every task related to the riot client. Once it is fully closed, click on Start menu, type riot, and this time choose the option Run as Administrator. Now at this point of time, you need to type in your username, then enter your password, and you will find the option of Stay Signed In. You need to uncheck this particular option. After doing so, go ahead and log in onto your Valorant or riot client. After logging, select the Valorant and hit the update option, and hopefully the issue will be completely fixed. Although if this fails to work out, in second method, open up your web browser and download a tool with the name Cloudflare VPN. Depending on the type of Windows or Mac you have or Linux you have, click on the option and save it into your system. Once it is saved, install it. I have already installed this Cloudflare VPN in my PC, so I'll go ahead and launch it. Once the Cloudflare is launched, under the mode, make sure you choose Traffic and DNS and then click on the option Connect. Once it is connected, restart your riot client and click on the option Update, and this time the issue of the game or the update stuck at the installing Vanguard will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.